we're looking at repopulation efforts. That's what it is right now. The fire is slowly being contained, and the safety, I mean the hazards because of the fire aren't so severe, but at the same time we need to get residents back in. So that's our primary focus. That's the primary focus of not only the Sheriff's Department, but the Fire Department, the public health, and the utilities, is to get residents back into the populated areas. So even though a home is still standing as opposed to a home that's burned down, there's still safety hazards out there. We have to remember on the main roads, there's down trees, down power lines, there's debris. It was a very, very windy night. I mean, I was here that evening and the winds were gusts of 100 miles an hour. So there was debris everywhere. And we're doing a systematic approach to that as far as clearing. So some areas where houses may not be burned and residents want to get back in, they need to understand that it's still not safe because of the hazards in the road. We had over 160 to 200 people out there going from plot to plot to plot to see if there was any type of human remains or anything that they could find. The last thing you want to do is have people come back into an area and find a loved one or something like that. We can't make it completely safe in there. There's going to be some toxins in there, but the messaging has to be there for people who go there so they know the risks that are associated with that. And in addition to that, we have our public works and public health out there in those areas that open to make sure that they are boots on the ground, they're talking with residents, they're informing them, they're providing them N95 masks, anything to make it safer. So there really isn't a timetable. We're looking at different sectors each day, and we speak with our partners as far as public health, utilities, fire. It's a moving target. It's very difficult to say that tomorrow this will open and the next day this will open. That's not quite how it works.
Chick. Bill. So I'm gonna